Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am doing these short animal print inspired nails. So I am using buttermilk and black magic from CJP and these mixed chameleon flakes. I think I said that right. So I'm doing the pinky and the pointer finger in black magic. So I've placed that bead on and then I'm gently just pushing that towards that cuticle to get it a nice shape, and then I'm just pulling the rest of that product down that nail. I do exactly the same on this nail, so I'm just gently pushing that towards that cuticle, bringing it down them sides, and then just swiping the rest of that acrylic down that nail. This ring finger is buttermilk, so I'm doing a thin layer of that, and then I am taking small amounts of each of those chameleon flakes and doing them going up that nail. I am leaving quite a lot of that buttermilk showing though for this set because I don't want full animal print. And I am doing exactly the same on this nail, but just placing the chameleon flakes on a different angle. So your brush does pick a lot of these flakes up, so be very careful. As you can see, they're flying everywhere, so if you sneeze they've gone. So I'm just doing them colours going up there. So I'm just going to show you capping this nail. So I've placed that bead near that cuticle, gently tucking that into that cuticle and swiping down the sides, and then just using my brush to pat and pull that down the rest of the nail. Just adding a bit more on that free edge because it was a bit thin. So I'll just pat that, remove any excess and just tidy that free edge up. Filing routine is as normal, so side walls, free edge, I like to do underneath, then gently round that cuticle area to get that acrylic flush with your natural nail. I then like to come down that centre of that nail and then work onto the sides. So while I'm filing this next part, I've decided when I was doing this video that I wanted a certain pattern on my nails, so I thought, what am I going to use? And I thought, what about liquid latex? If it goes round cuticle to stop paint getting on, maybe it'd work actually on the nail. So this is the liquid latex I have got with a brush. So I'm just going to put it on that nail, and I know what happened, so I was hoping that it'd stay and I'd be able to peel that off once I've got my stamping over top. So I'm just doing like round that chameleon flake, and this is the stamp I'm using. So I've cleaned everything I'm using, got my card and everything, so I've picked that up and I'm going to try it. So I'm just placing that on that nail, rolling that. I look very violent on that part there, but I want. So I've just took some tweezers and peeled it off. I couldn't believe it worked. So it's left whatever, like I put the 2 little points and that on that one. So yeah, I'm happy with that. A lot quicker than trying to get a nice shape with a brush or something else. So I've picked up this other one and I'm just going to pop that on. Only thing I would say is make sure it's dried before you try and do this. So yeah, peel that side off. Any bits you can see underneath is just the chameleon flakes that I haven't covered up with a pattern. But yeah, I quite liked that. That was just, it was fun anyway. I like peeling that off of people's hands. So it's like when you're a kiddie, you get glue on your hands at school and you sit there peeling it off. So I'm just going to get a cotton bud and just get rid of that little bit of black that has touched the skin. And I will top coat. So I am using CJP top coat on this set. So let's see what happens here. Oh, I just love them chameleon flakes. I don't know why I hadn't used them before, but there you go. So once I've done this, I will cure this in my LED light for a minute, and this is the finished result. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!